Merino, and we are going to talk about competence and core competence. We are group number 23, and we are Carmen Achiaga, Lydia Garcia, hello, John Julie,
hi,
and John Julie. Thank you. So now, what is competence? Anybody know what is competence?
I don't know. An ability?
No. Well, maybe.
It's a thing.
Any more ideas?
Something that makes you special, different.
Well, you need more information about what is a competence.
Skills?
Well, probably it's not bad.
We cannot.
Yeah, competence is a cluster of related abilities, commitments, knowledge, and skills that enable an organization to act effectively in a job or situation. Has anybody understand something?
No.
Yeah,
It's
an
ability.
Could you
maybe
ability and skill? Well, the most important thing is that it's the ability that can help your company to earn more money. Because what is the most important thing for us? The money. But once the companies earn money, so that's the real question. That what is a competence? So,
example.
yeah, that's for an example. Well,
But that is not only that. Do you know what is a core competence? Any idea?
It's core and competence.
Yeah, but what is?
Yeah.
Can you tell me something about core competence?
no.
No? I think we have to think about core. This word. Core. What does it mean? Core? Core.
what they are good at.
It's something like hurt, so it's like the most important. Here, for example, we have an apple. In the apple, we can see that the core is here. But this is very strong. This is the most important of an apple. If we want to make another apple, we need to put this core into the ground. So we have to be very careful about the core because it's the most important of it. So, as we said before, core competence is an ability that makes you different from the others. That's the most important. It's something that is really, really difficult to imitate. And that with this new thing, we can go into another market. This is most for big companies. For small companies, it's a bit difficult. And also, customers gain more from this. And here we have another apple. Do you know this is the brand Apple? We have a big example of a company that have a core competence that it was their innovative products with the technology. And that when it started at that time, it was really, really, we could say cool, and it's also very neat.
I'm Ricky. So why core competence is very important? Here we have an example of China and Australia. They are good at produce rice and chips, and they have 20 people, and they let 10 people to produce rice and chips, and as a result, the labor cost is different. And after that, they redistribute the labor. They let all the people to do what they are good at. So Chinese people produce rice only, and the Australian people produce sheep only. So this is the result they got after redistribution. After that, they do trade with each other. Yeah, this is before, and this is after trade. So they get more profit. So what I mean, if a company do what they are good at, so that they can get more profit.
This is another favorite explanation, the other big aspect. If the Toyota makes the cost low and makes the value high, and if the surplus value is the same to the GM, and the Toyota can earn more money than the GM. So that is an explanation of the competence. And what is the goal of the competence? Here is the idea come from our growth. And we think the competence is can earn more money and has some academic things. And next page we can see what things contain of the competence. And the competence has a lot of the things, but just a part of the things, like the low cost and the abilities and the culture and the increased business directional selections. We can say the tangible and intangible things, all of include that. That is our companies.
Our company is called Hyatt. Hyatt Hotels and Resorts. let's introduce you in our company and how we could apply competence and core competence to our company. Hyatt is specialized in the Lux Hotel with meeting facilities and special service for the business travel. So here, main customer is business. It's focused on the Lux, but it's not only this kind of tourism, business tourism, but we have all more. Here we have competence. Competence of Hyatt are marketing resource and simple process of producing. Hyatt make things simple. Core competence of Hyatt. Exceptional guest service. We are very focused on customers. Upscale amenities like soap or towels of high quality. Popular food and beverage program about over the world. Innovative interior design that mixes local art and art style, as you could see in the last photo. And here you have the branches of our company, Hyatt. Some of them are focused on families, and others in business, and others in different kind of tourism. And finally, our references. This is what we use to make our report. And thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you.